Go ahead, ma'am. RPC 1079.
Roger, line up and wait, sir. And active runway is not safe this time. For dog dispersal.
Okay, dog dispersal.
And line up and dog dispersal. RPC 1079. Dog dispersal.
May woof woof. May woof woof sa runway, sir.
Woof, woof. Oo ko yun, ah. Saan yung dog?
Dog dispersal.
Ayun, ayun, no?
1079, standby for takeoff, sir. Personnel will proceed to active runway for dog dispersal.
Okay.
Standby, RPC 1079. Ayun, no, ayun na, ayun na.
Yan na. Yan ang mga
Oh, ayun na.
mga Batman. Mga Park Assessment Team. Ben. May aso lang sa runway. Kukunin lang nila yung aso.
Pupulutanin. Kasi dapat isahan pa na natin para yung pulutan sila.
Baka hanggang Manila, sagay pa sa atin yung aso.
Okay, tatawag yung tower sa atin. RPC 1079, you have a dog dangling on your landing gear.
Tingin mo, sir, pinaril nila yung aso, kawawa naman.
Ay, tinaboy lang yun.
Tinaboy lang yun.
RPC
Ayun na.
1079, this time, clear for takeoff, runway 01, we count.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 01, RPC 1079.
Ready?
Ready.
Clear for takeoff, first clear altitude 150.
Okay.
Setting power.
Alright.
Stabilize.
Okay.
Disregard.
Power set.
Check.
Take off, hold airspeed alive.
Check.
80 knots.
Cross check.
B1. Rotate. That's the brake.
Gear up.
Tayo naman yung top.
1079er, contact the approach.
Here.
1223.
Laps up.
1223, good day, and thank you very much, RPC 1079. 04.
Okay, kawawa naman si Brownie.
Join lyrics.
Join lyrics, autopilot on.